Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a train in the trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the trains button at the top of the page. So first you have to select the country or region. And then you have to set the arrival station. And then you have to select if you want to go on a single, a return, or an open return trip. So if it's a single, then you have to set the date next. And then confirm it. And lastly, you have to set the passengers, so the number of adults and children you want to travel with. And once everything is ready, just click on the search button. And for this specific search, there were no results, so maybe just try with another one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.